What's good, Power Nation? This your boy TrulyBandz, and y'all already know this is another stash update. Y'all know how we do it. We're gonna start off light, then we're gonna get heavy. So first up, y'all already see, I actually got this from another pyro in the South Carolina shoot event, Dust Off Cobra event. He had a Corona killer and I helped him put it in his trailer. So he blessed me with this. Appreciate you. Never had it, but we will see what it's about. Alright, next up we have as y'all can see, a whole case. I've been looking for this for 3 years. Finally got it. I haven't seen anyone with a whole case of this. Alright, next up, what do we have here? You already know we already had the mill. So you know sometimes it can get fatal attraction. 64 shots. Man, look at that artwork. Alright, next up, what we got? Whole case of zombie hunter. Man, look at that artwork. Ridiculous. Alright, so now since we in shells, let's go ahead and get even more heavy. Dun, 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 dun. What is this? Oh yeah, whole case. Pandora's box. As you can see, whole case, 424. But that ain't it. Let's go ahead and get even heavy. Nightwing by Bayhigh. Man, look at that artwork, bro. Like I said, whole case, 424. Man, this is the most heaviest case I ever picked up in my life of shells. And I picked up a lot of canister shells. But this one takes the cake. But let's not stop right there. Let's go ahead and get even heavy. What is this? 2-1. What is it? Let's see. High stakes. Ooh. Yeah. You see that brand? Yeah, you see that brand. I actually got another case of this, but I'm gonna pick it up after the 4th. We're gonna test it out first. I already know it's good, cause you already know from this brand, from that brand, yeah, it's good. Next up, we got, what is this? Oh, you see it, don't it? Yeah. Yeah. What's understood ain't gotta be explained. I also got another case of this also. Yeah. Give y'all the whole rundown. Got a case right before your eyes. Let's show this artwork again. Okay, so high stakes. Man, that artwork nasty. Whole case of Nightwing. Whole case of Pandora's shell. Yeah, Pandora's box. Whole case of Zombie Hunter. Case of Fatal Attraction. Man, that artwork sick, man. Whole case of Milk. Would you? I would. And 2024. Sorry about this little stage, but I wasn't gonna leave y'all hanging because I told y'all after the last video I was gonna come with a stash, but it's more to come. See y'all, pyro.